Scientific findings are worthy of communication to both peers and the world at large. Why not create a colorful and animated whiteboard video? First, you will need to write a narrative script. Always keep your audience in mind. Summarize the discovery and its implications clearly, accurately, and in terms that can be understood by both the experts and those with no formal scientific education. This script can be recorded as an audio track at any time, ideally by someone with a pleasant speaking voice. Once the content has been distilled into a short script, the words must be translated into compelling visuals, beginning with a series of storyboards. Use the power of the visuals to complement the script. Visualize the information with minimal clutter. Use color coordination and a logical flow of ideas and images. Once the script and storyboard have been reviewed and refined, it's time to film. Using a camcorder, the storyboards can be reproduced in detail on the whiteboard at regular speed. Later on, the video footage can be sped up several hundredfold and edited to be in sync with the corresponding narrative using video editing software. Upload your video to a website, YouTube, or other video distribution sites, and share it with family, colleagues, and friends. You have a compelling piece to share. You've just given your science a new dimension.